Hi everyone, this is the day 25 Limit World Challenge. Few days ago, my computer broke and I have to bring it to the computer hospital. Yeah, and they said my computer have some errors in the hardware. Yeah, and I have to spend $500,000 to to fix it. Yeah, I'm so worried about this. I don't have $500,000 in this time. As well as a lot of other students. At this same time every month which is the last days of every month. Yeah, without money. Yeah, nothing in my purse. So I'm so worried about how can I get 500,000 to pay for that. Maybe I have to maybe I have to borrow some friends and hope they still have some. Yeah. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for listening and see you.